hang on. You forgot your thing.
What is this anyway? Well, Jonesy, it's clearly a box of buttons on it, isn't it? A button box. Plus and minus. Whoa!
Whoa! So you control the light of everything?
So what do the arrows do then? One way to find out. What the hell? How did I get here? Well, to the point, where the hell am I? Oh my God, it was this thing. You did this, didn't you? How am I going to get back? Okay, don't panic. Think logically. If the forward arrow brought me here, then the back arrow must take me back, mustn't it? Well, I just got to go for it, haven't I? Oh, here goes.
Oh, thank God.
So one tap forward takes me to the top of a hill. What do you reckon 2 taps will do then, Jonesy?
Oh, this is cool. So 1 click forward, hilltop. 1 click back home. 2 clicks forward here. So therefore, 2 clicks back will take me home. It will, won't it? And it does. Oh yes, come on. 3 clicks.
Oh, very nice. Hang on.
Really?
I hate wet socks.
Take me back.
A bit disappointing, little box. Oh look, dry again. That's a bit weird. Shall we try again? Somewhere dry this time? Jesus. I do not like the look of this, Jonesy. And I definitely don't like the looks of those things over there. Time for a swift, sharp exit, I think. Hello, where the hell has this come from? to me. Yeah, but can I get to it before they get to me? Yeah, they're not exactly sprinters, are they? So, what have we got here then? Ah! No, no, no. 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 Please work. Please. Please work. No! 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 No!